Welcome to Foodie Grocery Haul Open Playlist. You can see here who are the hosts of this grocery haul. Now, if you would like to join us, please consider to chime in. We would love to have you join us on this open playlist. What I'm showing you today are some ingredients that I purchased to make my slow cooker chicken and dumplings. So just stay tuned. Here are the ingredients that I am going to be including in my slow cooker chicken and dumplings. What I'll do is I'll include the link to the recipe below. So what we have here is some white cheddar cheese. I have an onion. I'm going to use 4 cloves of garlic. I believe I'm going to use 2 celery stalks. I have 2 cans of cream of mushroom, 2 cans of cream of chicken. I have some parsley back here. I actually am going to add this over some rice. I love this rice, guys. I love this rice. I have chicken broth, so I need 2 cups of that. I need some sweet peas. Then we have our chicken thighs, and they want you to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs, some baby carrots, and a can of Grand's buttermilk biscuits. And these are the seasonings that I'm going to be using. They actually want you to use fresh chives, but the grocery store didn't have any, so I had some, freeze dried. They won't be as good, but it's a small amount, so it shouldn't really matter that much. But these are the ingredients that I am going to be including in my slow cooker chicken and dumplings. All right, guys, so here is the finished product. So I cut the Grand's biscuits up because that's what the recipe calls for. It doesn't call for you to cook them first because they're going to cook right on top of here. I put the cheese on top, the white cheddar cheese. I smashed those down into the Grand's biscuits with some chives, and this is what's going to make our dumplings. Once this is done, we'll top it off with some parsley. I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys have an amazing Sunday, what's left of it. And until the next one, bye-bye.